Hello everyone, my name is Kurt Holden. I'm with Superior Water Trucks. Today I'm going to be showing you stock number 20C24CC. This is a 2020 International 4300 water truck. The truck only has 21,000 miles on it. We still have to mount the spray head on the front. Very simple. We're a full service water truck company. We can customize your tank, customize pretty much anything on a truck. You can see the hood's in good shape. As well as a driver's side door and tank. Good tread on the tires, aluminum wheels, 2,000 gallon tank. Got a Cummins diesel engine in it. Again, we can do anything to this. We could put a hose reel on there. Got a full fabrication shop, paint booth, body shop, and a mechanical shop. Again, chrome wheels. There's the tread on your passenger side drives. This is a 2020, so of course it's California compliant. Uses DEF. There's a look at passenger side window. I'm going to open up the hood compartment. I can show you the drive tires. Brand new. There's a look at your engine. Drive tire. Driver's side, brand new. There's your engine, 200 horse Cummins. Seats are in nice shape, as well as a headboard and dash. We still have to put the control box to control the air-driven spray heads. Only 21,000 miles on this truck. There's another look at the tank. Once again, my name is Kurt Holden with Superior Water Trucks on a 2020 International 4300. The gross vehicle weight rating is 25,999, so this does not require a commercial driver's license. Thank you for watching my video today. Please call me at 602-487-4777 with any questions.